let me show you how to activate valet parking mode. Before activating valet parking mode, we want to make sure you have a driver's profile on your vehicle screen. If you don't have one already logged in, add your driver's profile. If you don't have a driver's profile created, select New Registration. Follow the URL code. Once the driver's profile is added to the vehicle screen, valet parking mode can now be activated. To activate valet parking mode, pull down the top screen. Select valet parking mode. If a PIN was not created at the time of adding your driver profile, select PIN and set a new PIN. Now that your PIN has been created, valet parking mode can now be activated. Select BMW models come with the option of Lock Tailgate as well. Lock Tailgate is an option for you to disable trunk access from the central locking system, which includes key fob, door, and trunk release. Now that valet parking mode is ready to be activated, select Activate Now. Once valet parking mode is activated, valet parking mode will display on the iDrive screen. Valet parking mode will protect any personal data you save to the car, including phone numbers and house addresses. Once the driver is ready to return to their profile, select the profile. Enter your PIN. Driver preferences will now return. Now that you are familiar with the valet parking mode feature, we encourage you to use it to protect your personal data and your belongings when using valet parking. Thank you for watching. For more tips and tricks on your BMW, follow us on our social media platforms at BMW Bakersfield on Instagram and Facebook, at BMW Bakersfield on YouTube, which now has a growing playlist of BMW virtual encore deliveries.